Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, this is Anpichan. Welcome to my mathematics class. How are you? I think you all are doing well. Let's see the today's topic. Today I've taken table of Greek letters. So I think you're surprised, okay? Today in the mathematics class, why NP has taken the table of Greek letters. So okay, let me explain. Okay, so very simple, Funda. Uh, because these are the letters, okay, which we face frequently in mathematics as well as in science. If you have started to read the science again, second level or a low second level, definitely you might have met with these letters. And in mathematics, you might have seen okay few letters, and if you are in second level or that is I mean to if you are in 11 and 12 class, definitely you have met already with these okay signs, some of these signs, not all signs. Gradually you are gonna get all these signs in your box. If you are okay science student, that are very important. If you are not, and if you are studying in 9 10 class, even then okay you should know these signs, because okay on the way of study you get these signs okay to read out. Okay, so see, go through these videos. Okay, I'm going to tell you and read out okay these names, okay, and try to know the before your teachers tell you in the class. Okay, let's start now. Table of Greek letters. These all are the Greek alphabets as we study in English alphabets A B C D E F G H I, like this way, so on. Okay, right? So here these are also the Greek alphabets. Okay, why we are studying okay these Greek alphabets? Because okay we use okay these letters okay as a symbol in mathematics as well as in science. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to read out. Here name of the letters, okay, and here lowercase and here capital, like small letter. You can say in English, okay, here capital letter. Okay, so alpha. This is your alpha. First letter is alpha. Alpha small letter and lowercase, and this is a capital alpha. And this one is a beta and capital beta, and gamma, the capital gamma. Okay, delta, capital delta, and this one is your epsilon. See, okay, or epsilon. You can read out in two ways. Okay, either you can say epsilon, or epsilon. Okay, this one is a smaller lowercase, and this one is a capital epsilon. And zeta and capital zeta. In English, we see the G or a Z, and eta, and this one is a eta. So, in Greek, this is the Greek letter. It's H in English alphabets. Okay, theta and theta, but this is in Greek alphabets eta, and this one is a theta. So definitely, firstly, when you study the trigonometry, you are going to get theta. Most of the students ask, okay, what is theta? So from where it has come? Okay, so theta. Now, if you go through this video, now you will be clear. Theta is your which one? Yeah, eighth alphabet of the Greek letters. All right. So small theta and a capital theta. In trigonometry, we use as a angle of reference of theta, right? And this one is a small iota, and this one is a capital iota. We read out as iota, and in English I, right? But here iota. And we use in complex number. When we start to study, you will get the iota sign, okay? Just like a plus iota b is a complex number. After real number, you get okay complex number, right? Complex number. And real number is also the subset of complex number. And kappa, see, and the small kappa, and this one is a capital kappa, and lambda, and the capital lambda, and see, There are also two pronunciation for this: mu, small mu, and capital mu, or mu, capital mu. Okay, mu. Let's move here. Next, 13th, nu or new. This is the small, okay, new, and the lowercase and the uppercase is your n, new, or a new. You may read out like this way: new or a new, as you wish. And this one is a jai, and capital jai, omicron, capital omicron, pi. Yes, you know this very well. Pi. So I think when you study again. When you reach at class 6 or 7, okay, you start to know about the pi. Or I think nowadays again 5 6 class also we study the pi. We know about the pi, right? When you start to read out the mensuration at the time, okay, you start to know the pi, right? So this one is the pi, right? 16th letter of the Greek alphabet, pi, right? So this is a small pi, and this one is a capital pi. And rho, and in science we start, okay, in physics almost, okay, all signs, okay, these all letters, okay, you get in physics, okay, right? Rho, and this one is a capital rho, and sigma, this in mathematics we get also. So either in, okay, lower class or upper class, okay, in statistics you find out, okay, this sigma, which is used to uh, notate the sum of the, okay, variates some of the items. Sigma, this is a small sigma, and we use for the standard deviation also. Sigma, small sigma, and this is the capital sigma. Capital sigma, we use the sum of the items, okay, some of the variates. And this is a tau, small tau or a tau, okay, capital tau or a capital tau. You may, okay, there are two pronunciation, and this one is your 20th alphabet is your upsilon. This is your upsilon, and we find out in physics upsilon. And upsilon, this is your pi and a phi, which is used to notate the Gordon ratio. So you know about the Gordon ratio. So one, definitely I will tell you if you don't know the Gordon ratio in our video. So phi, phi is the 21st letter in Greek alphabets, and this is the phi. And then your chi, this is chi, and psi, small psi, and lowercase and uppercase is this one, psi, and omega, small omega and omega. This is this is we use, okay, to unit of the resistance, okay, in physics. And this small omega we use in okay, complex numbers. If you know all these, okay, you will not have any problem. So some of them, okay, we find out in mathematics, and most of them, okay, we can find out, almost all, okay, we can say we can find out in physics, okay, right? So you will not have a problem if you know already, right? So this the okay, this video or these letters are very useful, not only for just being a student, for all. Either you are studying in 8 class, 9 class, 10 class, or 11 class, 12 class. If you are studying in science, then definitely these are very, very important, and you are making plan to study science. If you are in a lower class, then also very, very important. You will be the champion, know the Greek letters, all right, before your teacher teach you in class. Okay, everybody. So once again, now I'm going to read out. So final, okay, finally. So alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon or epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu or mu, nu or nu, and your xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, tau, epsilon, pi, okay, chi, psi, omega. Okay, so I have read out, and now your turn to read out and to recognize and try to recognize as soon as earlier. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.